Everyday life's happening. Some days are more eventful. Others, living protected with insurance you can depend on changes your life for the better. We insure the people and things you care about. Not Agency. We'll help you find the right coverage so when life happens, you have the right insurance protection for your family and business. When life happens, live protected. Not Agency for all your insurance needs.
Good morning and welcome to Radio Friends on Tuesday, May 3rd. Right behind me, I've got four talented guys, the Boone County Hams. Good to have you here. Chuck Day.
Yes, sir.
Right? And?
Hugh.
Yeah, and?
Gordon.
And Bob.
They're kind of like Cher, except for Chuck Bay. They only have first names, but you're here.
I'm not that famous yet.
You're here because on Saturday, May the 7th, you're having a big show,
Big
right?
show, yes. 7 o'clock at First Baptist Church, downtown Columbia.
And the show's going to be?
A couple hours. It's our spring, Sounds of Spring.
Yeah, and lots of wonderful barbershop music.
Yes.
And you're going to do a song right now that will whet your appetite for the show on Saturday. This one is called Are You My Neighbor? What's it?
Is there anybody here from out of town?
Oh, is there? Well, Are You My Neighbor? Or is anybody here from out of town? The Boone County Hams. Take it.
If there's anybody here from out of town, step up and say hello. Say, what do you know? If anybody's here from my hometown, shake hands and let me know.
Hi, Jack.
We're glad you're back. Where I come from, the folks are neighborly. Well, let's drum up some hospitality. So if there's anybody here from out of town, step up and say hello.
Come say hello.
Do-do. Well, I'm a Roman, I'm at home in any place you mention in the USA. Just a rover, stopping over, making some new friends on my way. To Arizona, where I'm gonna miss the winter weather by the borderland. Then to Utah on a hee-haw, riding through the Rockies and the Canyon Grand. They expect us back in Texas, down in Waxahachie cotton picking time. Why spend Christmas on the isthmus? The sun they have in Florida is mighty fine. To New England in the spring and then to take a summer by the Golden Gate. Howdy, brother, have another. Here's to every state in the USA. Well, I'm rolling, I'm at home in any place you mention in the USA. Just a rover, topping over, making some new friends on my way. To Arizona, miss the winter weather by the borderland. Then to Utah on a hee-haw, riding through the Rockies and the Canyon Grand. They expect us back in Texas, down in Waxahachie cotton picking time. Why spend Christmas on the isthmus? The sun they have in Florida is mighty fine. To New England in the spring and then to take a summer by the Golden Gate. Howdy, brother, have another. Here's to every state in the USA. Well, we like to state that from state to state everything's okay in the USA.
Okay, is anybody here from my hometown?
Yes.
That's the Boone County Hams. And if you want to hear a lot more of this, you can go Saturday.
Yes.
Now, do people need to get advance tickets?
We think we'll have enough seating for everybody, but they're welcome to get advance tickets.
And how do they do that?
They can go to the cordbusters.com website, or they can call me at Wilson's Garden Center. We have tickets there, too.
And the phone number?
445-2853.
You got it. Now, it'll be Saturday, May the 7th,
Yes.
7 o'clock
Yes.
in the evening till about 9 o'clock with wonderful music that everybody can enjoy. And this will take you back in time a little bit, right?
A little bit, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
You got another one that you're going to do.
We do.
And
You want to know about it?
Yeah, I do.
This is our Moon Medley.
All right, and actually we're gonna dedicate this one to our regular audio guy, Pat Akers. He's not here today, but he requested Moonlight Bay.
Yes.
All right. So we have the Boone County Hams and Moonlight Bay. This is for you, Pat Akers. Take it.
Voices hum, crooning over Moonlight Bay. Banjos strum, tuning while the moonbeams play. All alone, unknown, they find me. Memories like these remind me of the girl I left behind me. Down on Moonlight Bay, we were sailing along on Moonlight Bay. We could hear the voices ringing. They seemed to say, "You have stolen her heart. You have stolen her heart. Now don't go away. Don't go away." As we sang love's old sweet song on Moonlight Bay. By the light of the silvery moon, I want to screw, to my honey I'll croon love's tune. Honeymoon, 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 keep a shining in June, keep a shining in June. Your silvery beams will bring love's dreams. We'll be cuddling soon, we'll be cuddling soon. By the silvery moon, by the silvery moon, the moon.
How nice! That's the Moonlight Medley. I wish I could sing like you guys, but if you
we do too.
every Thursday you have rehearsals, so
do.
if people want to come down and
At the
what do they do?
United Methodist Church at 7 o'clock downtown, and they just come and we give them music and they sing.
And you all sing together as
As a big chorus, we have about 25, 30 guys.
and you can tell pretty quickly whether they're going to fit in or not?
Yeah, it's usually self-policing. If people don't
Okay.
feel comfortable.
All right.
they-
So for more information, just go down every Thursday at
Missouri United Methodist Church on 9th Street.
and audition. And don't forget Saturday, May 7th, 7 o'clock at the First Baptist Church.
Yes, sir.
You can hear 2 hours of wonderful barbershop music. We're out of time for today. Tomorrow, Missouri Symphony Society and a lot more. Have yourself a good morning. Drop me an email, pepperp@missouri.edu if there's something you'd like to hear or see. Bye-bye.